So, here's how you wind a bobbin. This little thing is called a bobbin. Now, this looks a little bit like a small hose reel, but it's got little holes on the side. So, first thing we need to do is to get our spool of thread and put it on the spool holder here. For those of you with the old machines, your spool holder is down the back. Okay, so now we get the thread. We don't want too much thread, about the length of the machine. And we want to put it around this little knob at the top. Now, it's definitely a knob because you can't push it. It's not a button. And the new machines have got a little arrow. So you want to go in front of the little knob and wind around it clockwise. So you want to go to the back and then cross over your thread and bring it back. Bring it to the front. Bring it towards you. Once you've done that, get the end of the thread and put it through one of the holes in the bobbin. You want to have about a finger's length. So, your bobbin should be hanging off your thread like this. What we now want to do is we want to put the bobbin on this little knob. It's a slightly different knob. The ones on the new machines are plastic. But we want to put the bobbin on there so it's thread side up. So where the thread is coming out, that's the top of your bobbin, okay? So put that on the little plastic knob thing. And then next, make sure you keep holding this little end of the thread. And next to that is a little plastic hammer. And you see it goes, you can move it, it clicks. So, you want to push that hammer towards the bobbin. Should make a little click. Those of you with the old machines, you'll actually be moving the bobbin towards the hammer. Okay? Before you do anything else, those of you with the old machines, you will need to release the flywheel. So on the flywheel side, have a look. There will be two wheels that you can turn. The smaller one, you want to pull that towards you, so you're untwisting it. So you're releasing the flywheel. Otherwise, the needle is going to go up and down the whole time you're filling your bobbin. Okay? So, holding on to the end of the thread, you're going to put your foot down on the pedal. When you've gone a little way, the little end of the thread that you were holding onto has now become a little bit curly, and yeah, it's not very nice. It's quite hard to hold on to as well. So, we're going to cut that off. We don't need that anymore. That's just basically to make sure the thread stays on the bobbin. Okay, now let's fill our bobbin. Keep your foot down and it will just automatically fill up evenly around the bobbin. When the bobbin is full, it'll stop spinning because the thread will have pushed the hammer back, or the thread will have pushed the bobbin away from the hammer if you've got an old machine. Now, cut it away. Pull your bobbin off, and there you go. That's it.